How to change language on iPhone. So to change language on your iPhone, tap on settings. Now tap on general button. So under general, scroll down until you see language and region, tap on it. Just like myself, I have multiple languages here. I have the Yoruba, English, and others. So if yours is like it's not like this, maybe you have just one language. Then you need to tap on this button, add language, then select any of this language, then it will be added to it. So to make any of this language a default language, all of this guide is to just tap and hold few seconds, then drag it up. Once drag it up, let's try Yoruba. Once drag it up, it comes up like this that applying these settings will resort or will restart your iPhone. Yes, just tap on continue button. Your phone will restart within a very short time, and all other important parameter information, photos, audios on your phone are intact. All this setting does is that it resets the language of this phone to the new language you just select. So if you get this tip on how to change language on iPhone, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.